right. All right, good job. What about this one? You'll have to reference the other video for whose is who here. Right. Okay, now for the 17. See what this one sounds like. Ah, it's finally tuned the shape. Quiet. All right. Nice. All right, that'll go. Now that one sounds like mine. Okay. Good job. All right, Wade, let's go for it. Yeah. Okay, I think that black one's gonna win, but we'll see. This is some kind of special edition racer. What is this? A special edition? Is this like a? What do you say this one was? It's a Mazda Speed. Is that like a special edition they made?
Yeah, it's the only one that came turbo for the start.
Oh, it's turbo. Okay. Nice. Davin's not here. Let's go for the black one. This is a 97. Yeah, he's got the loud one. All right. Good job. This one's flat. Oh, we got a squeaky belt too. All right. I bet you I'm the only one with a push button start though. I had to install it because the ignition was giving me trouble. Yeah, this one's quiet. I just got a new muffler and everything off of Amazon for 110 bucks. The whole from the catalytic converter back. Right, Maui Miatas, rock.